Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Delicious Recipe. Today I'll be making a simple soft chapathi and rich, creamy and delicious paneer butter masala. The next level, and this recipe is a winner by taste. It is so delicious that you would buy paneer every time you go to the shop. First, we are going to make chapathi. So in a large bowl, stir together Indian wheat flour, which is atta, and a teaspoon of salt. Next, drizzle some olive oil and enough water to make a soft dough that is elastic but not sticky. Knead the dough until it is smooth. Next, rub olive oil and rest the dough for 15 minutes. Meanwhile you rest the dough, let's make paneer butter masala. Add in your oil into a hot pan and add in onions. And cook till they're nice and translucent. Next, add dried chilies, bay leaf, garlic, cashew nuts, cinnamon and cardamom. Next, add in your lovely tomatoes. The key to get deep reddish orange color is to use a good red chili and also good ripe tomatoes to enhance the color and the flavor too. Add in 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of 7 spices, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and briefly saute it. This is the key to make the gravy more aromatic. Next, blend till you get a very smooth puree. If your puree has chunks, then strain the mixture. Remember, the puree has to be smooth. Next, add butter to the pan. Then add in your onion and tomato puree. Next, add dill and coriander. Next, add in your paneer. Remember to use a good quality paneer, otherwise paneer may turn hard, chewy and rubbery. Next, grate the paneer. It gives quite a rich, creamy flavor. Add in cream and cook on a low flame for 7 minutes. Meanwhile, you cook the paneer. Let's jump into chapathi. Divide the balls and roll it out. Next, transfer it to the tawa and cook until you get brown spots on both sides. Now to serve this amazing dish, the love I'm having to this paneer butter masala is much better compared to others' love story. It is super creamy, as you can see, smells wonderful and tastes absolutely amazing, and the chapati is super duper soft. Don't miss this, guys. You better go to the store and buy paneer right now and make this and tell me how great this is. Alright you guys, please like this video, comment, share with your loved ones, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for more. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.